Good morning, children, and welcome back. Myself, Ansari Samreen. So, in previous video, I had taught you about the stars and the planets. So today, we shall learn more about our solar system in detail. As we know that planets revolve around a star as they rotate around themselves. Here we have two words, revolve and rotate. When we say that Earth revolve and rotate means it goes around on its axis. But revolve means it goes around the sun. So when a planet goes around the sun, it is known as a revolution. It revolves around it, and rotation means it goes it on axis. Planets revolve around a star. So it means we basically revolve around which star? The sun. Even as they rotate around themselves. Now let us look that is our solar system. In our solar system, the 8 planets in their increasing order of distance from the sun, and they are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. They revolve around the sun in definite orbit. Orbit means it is fixed path on which planets revolve around the sun. First, let us look at our first planet that we will learn about, and that is planet Earth. We also call this the blue planet. Blue planet because you can see nearly 3/4 of the planet is covered with water. It is only planet on which life is known to exist. इसका मतलब है जो हमारे सोलर सिस्टम में जितने भी प्लैनेट्स है उसमें अर्थ ही एक ऐसा प्लैनेट है जिस पे लाइफ को एग्जिस्ट किया जा सकता है. सो फ्रॉम स्पेस व्हेन यू सी प्लैनेट अर्थ इट लुक्स ब्लू इन कलर. दैट मीन्स द कॉन्टिनेंट और द पार्ट ऑफ its land is less and the part which is water, that means the oceans and the seas are more. Our earth is a planet, which means it does not have light of its own, and you will find that it gets light from the star, and we get a light from the star known as the sun. It moves around the sun. When it moves around the sun, we called it revolution. Its movement around the sun is the revolution of the earth. So, we will see how the earth revolves around the sun. This is the sun. I have given the picture in this video, which is also a star, that is our closest star near us, and it goes around the sun. As you can see in the picture, these arrows are the signs of revolution. Now you think that the sun moves because you can see it rising in the east and setting in the west. But actually it is we who moves. That is why it seems as if the sun is moving, we move in the opposite direction. That means from the west to east. If you didn't understand how it is possible, Listen to the example carefully. Listen to the example carefully. When you go by train, your train is moving forward. Can you see how trees seems to run past? The trees are not moving, the train is moving. That means we are moving, so we, the earth, are moving. The sun is not moving at all. We are going to the sun. That means revolving around the sun. Beside earth, there are 7 other planets that revolves around the sun. They are Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Now, how you will remember which one will comes first, which one comes second? So, let us see the 9 planets. This is the sun and you can see that these are the 9 planets, starting with Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune and Pluto. In your textbook, they have not given Pluto. The reason being, earlier in the old textbook, they used to give Pluto as a 9 planet, but now they considered Pluto as a dwarf planet. So, in your textbook, Pluto is not given. How to remember this? I will give you one simple method, that is, my very educated mother just showed us 9 planets. Now, here if you see the first letter of each word which indicate the 9 planets, M, V, E, M, J, S, U, N and P. If you look at this, you can see it becomes easy to understand. My very educated mother just showed us 9 planets. Learn that and keep in your mind. M stands for Mercury, V, Venus, E, Earth, M, Mars, J, Jupiter, S, Saturn, U, Uranus, N, Neptune and P, Pluto. So, it will be easy to remember which one will comes after the next. Now, you might wonder what have they shown here which I have circled, that is the moon. The way the earth goes around the sun, the moon is the natural satellite which also goes around the earth. So, when the earth goes around, the moon also goes around with it. Have you understood? Now, let us look at a spacecraft. This is what it looked like. If you watch the movie Gravity, you will get to see a spacecraft. So, this is what a spacecraft looks like, which they launch and they send out, but this is unmanned. That means there is no person in it. इसका मतलब क्या है कि उसके अंदर कोई इंसान नहीं है. If there is a person in it, of course it has to come back. We can see Rakesh Sharma, who is our first Indian astronaut to be sent into space. See in the picture which is I have given in this video. Okay, so you can see this is Rakesh Sharma. You can see over here in space there is no gravitational pull, so you float around in outer space. Coming back to your textbook, do you know Indian astronaut Rakesh Sharma became the first Indian astronaut to go into space in 1984. He spent 8 days on a space station for a joint mission of the ISRO and the Soviet Intercosmos. Seeing India from space, he said, that is looked सारे जहां से अच्छा. Seeing India from space, he said, that is looked सारे जहां से अच्छा. That means when you out in the space and जब आप नीचे देखते हो तो then you can see India. Over there you can find that सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा. Why did he feel like that? In some countries, if you look down, it might be only sandy desert. In India, you can see greenery, you can see the red mud, you can see the black earth, you can see so much variety when you go look out at India from out of space. Hope you have understood the whole chapter, that is the earth and our solar system.